Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. First of all, sorry for not uploading videos last week. It was kind of a crazy week, but I am finally here and I feel a little bit more prepared for this coming week than I was last week. So we are good. Obviously today's video is going to be this look using the good old 35O palette from Morphe. This is like the old school one, like shimmer and mattes, kind of good. I just wanted to use something that I knew we all had, because I know that sometimes I get in a rut and then when I get a new palette I forget about my old ones. So just trying to dig up the old goodies, you know. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy, and if you want to learn how to do this look, keep on watching. See ya. Bye. Alright, so I already have this eye done. It's really simple, just something that I thought everybody could go ahead and do really quickly. Alright, so and just as a little FYI, I don't know why my eyes have been so red lately. I've been trying to clear it up just using like eye drops, but it's still, and it's not irritated, it doesn't hurt, it's red. So I apologize for it looking nasty. I'm gonna take this color right here. It's kind of like that grainy, I want to say pukey color. Well, the only thing I've done so far, besides my other eye, is I went ahead and primed my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So it's really the only other thing I've done. And this eye, I do want to wing it out at the end. I'm going to take this color right here, the one that's right underneath the one we just used. And again, I'm going to load that brush up, and then I'm going to just stamp it on the outer corner. And once I've deposited the color there, then I'm going to bring it in. Once I've done that, then I can move into my shimmery color. I'm going to take the Real Techniques smudge brush, which is just a little tiny brush like that, and take this shimmery color right here, the one that's next to this bright orange one. When I primed, I didn't set it with any powder, so I didn't feel the necessity to wet my brush to get this shimmery shade, because it's just going to grab onto the wet concealer and intensify the shimmeriness. Okay, then one last blend with this guy. This is the M441, by the way, by Morphe. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Pro Line Felt Tip Eyeliner, and I'm going to create a wing. So, my eye looks so gnarly. Okay, I'm going to do my eyeliner. And for my eyeliner, you guys already know, I like to start at the end and just draw my line and drag it in, just like that. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is the Precision Smudge Brush. I think these two come together in a set. This is the smudge brush and this is the Precision one. And then I'm going to take this dark brown color right here. And then I'm going to go right above where my wing is, on that outer crease, and then just kind of make that V darker. Like, do you see where I'm placing it? Again, I'm going to take my M441 and blend that out. I'm going to take my NYX Faux Black Eyeliner in the color Black Olive, and I'm going to do my waterline. I love these pencils. They're so pigmented and they last on the waterline a really long time, so I love it. Okay, then last I'm going to take my Real Techniques shading brush and take this brown color right below the pukey color that we kind of started with, and just go right. I'm going to take the pukey color and just as a finishing touch, back to that smudge brush and that shimmery shade that we used on our lid. pack some more in and use it as a brow bone highlight. Okay, so because I am planning on doing a contour video for this look, then I'm going to leave the look as it is right now, and I'm going to start filming that one, and then I'll come back once the look is finished and we'll finish with the lips and the blush and all that fun stuff. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have to hurry because my battery is dying, but I just finished filming the contour video, so if you are interested in learning how to carve out your face like this, then go and watch that one. I'll have it here if it's not already up. If not, just wait for it, it'll be coming. But okay, so blush. For blush, I'm going to take the color Romantic Rose from Milani. For highlight, I am going to take I'm actually going to use Pearl today. Alright, and to finish it, good old, I wanted a red lip. So I'm going to take this one from Colourpop. It is the Ultra Matte Lip in Arriba. You guys know I love this color. Alrighty, and that is the finished look, you guys. So really quick, really simple. I'm glad I was able to use the 35O palette for you guys because I know a ton of us have it. So I hope that you enjoy the look, and again, I'm sorry for the break I took last week. It was just really crazy, but I am full on charged and I am excited to keep uploading videos, so keep your eyes out for more, and especially for that contour video because I'm excited for that one. But other than that, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!